Rally Baja Crawler, built for extreme off-road action. The Rally Baja Crawler is a rugged, high-performance off-road machine designed to dominate deserts, rocky trails, and extreme terrain. With its raised suspension, oversized all-terrain tires, and reinforced chassis, this vehicle is built for ultimate durability and capability. Powered by a high-torque engine, the Baja Crawler delivers impressive traction and control, while its long-travel suspension and heavy-duty shocks absorb rough impacts with ease. The aggressive tube frame design, skid plates, and wide stance enhance its off-road performance, making it a beast on sand dunes, rocky climbs, and muddy trails. Whether tackling Baja desert races or extreme rock crawling challenges, the Rally Baja Crawler is the perfect combination of speed, toughness, and off-road dominance.